Well, hey there, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. So, we're fixing to do some baked bacon in this video, and if you don't bake your bacon, you need to start baking your bacon, because baked bacon is the way to go. How many times can we say it? But yeah, I started doing this a couple years back or whatever. But it's the way to go when it comes to cooking your bacon. A lot easier, don't have any splatter and stuff on your countertops or all over your tops of your cooktop, and all the bacon is just in one spot. It don't curl all up. You can cook, I think, more at a time, because usually you can get maybe 3-4 slices maybe in your pan before you're done. But here I got 8 things to fill up and bake bacon in my oven here. So I already got my oven preheated at 4 degrees, so I'm gonna throw it in there and let it start cooking. This is kind of a thicker cut bacon, so around the 18 to 20 minute mark is what it takes to cook it. So I'll let it cook for right at 9 minutes or so, then I'll take it out, flip it over, then back in and let it go for another 9 or 10 minutes still. Really, it kind of depends on your bacon floppiness stage. And so I like mine kind of crisp, floppy, like in between, like porridge, you know, with Goldilocks. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the oven, let it start going, and get me a timer going. We'll go with 9 minutes at the start. But yeah, I'm gonna let that go for about 9 minutes or so. Then I'll bring it back, check it when I'm flipping it. But need to bake your bacon, folks. So I'll see y'all back when I'm flipping it, or either when it's done. So see y'all. Alrighty, folks, let's get it out. It's been in there for the first 9 minutes. Whew. Always let your oven kind of breathe before you stick your face in it, because I've done that before. You rush in too fast and all that hot air is rough. So turn off that timer from screaming. So looking pretty good. It's starting to cook up pretty good. It's rendering down. So again, I'll give it a good flip here, and I'll probably let it go, looks like about 10 minutes. Then I'll check back with y'all when I'm getting it out then. So got those flipped, and we can go back in. Alrighty, I'll see y'all when I'm taking them back out. Alrighty, folks, let's get it out. It's been right at 11 minutes, so it did the 20-minute cook time. Like I said, it kind of depends on you, how floppy you want your bacon. So, and then if you're doing a thinner sliced bacon, you probably do it, I'd say about 15 minutes or so. Run away from it on that slick top. So I'll get this off, let it start draining on my paper towels. And if y'all don't have one of those, you need to get one. If you don't know what it is, that's sad too. But that's a good old grease catcher. I can't even talk. So always put a little paper towel up under the lid there, so if there's any particles, it can catch them. But that's the way to go. You got to catch your bacon grease or whatever you actually cook, because if you're doing cornbread or cooking up some peppers and onions, or cooking your eggs, throwing in with your biscuits, whatever else, you gotta keep your bacon grease. Or you're cooking hamburgers or whatever else you need your bacon grease for. It's too delicious to throw away that salty, smoky tasting grease. So I gotta let these cool a little bit longer. I know they're still toasty. Get some of that excess grease off. They look good. Smelling good. I haven't ate today yet either, so getting hungry. So I'll let that cool, and we're going to talk over again of what all we did. But again, just get your cookie sheet out or baking tray out. You don't have to spray it if you don't want to, because you're going to have enough oil that cooks out. But if you want to, a light spray, or even if you want to even clean up, you can put your tinfoil down and use that. Then lay out your bacon. Have your oven preheated to 400. Go in for about 9 to 10 minutes. Let it go, take it out, flip it halfway through the cook. Back in for the 9 or 10 minutes for a thicker cut bacon. And then take it out and boom. There you go, and keep your bacon grease. That's a sin in the South if you're pouring it out. So, but yeah, that's how you do it. And then that's an easy way for doing candy bacon as well. So it's the easiest way to do is bake it just the same. Just throw on your seasoning. I got a sweet little rub that I make. That's good on it. Got some honey and brown sugar and stuff. Throw on top of it and then bake it kind of the same. You might have to watch it just a touch closer, also sugar and stuff. But definitely, if you're doing the candy bacon, you use your tin foils or aluminum foil or aluminium foil, however you say it, if you're a UK fan. But do it that way. That way the cleanup definitely easier, because that sugar is sticky and it gets everywhere. But see how that feels. Yeah, it's cool. See, it stands up, but still got just a touch of chew to it. So, who don't like bacon? Just sorry for the folks that don't, because it's delicious. But more of it for me. Good old bacon. That's where it comes from, folks. If you don't know, too, the belly. Salty, smoky goodness. See, just a little, maybe y'all can hear that. A little crunch, but just a little chew to it too. Perfect the way I like it. Good stuff. So I'm gonna chow on down on the rest of my bacon here. So I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all like, share, and subscribe if you want to, if you haven't already. And when you do, you're welcome on into the Head to Tail family. We will love you and welcome on in. So thank y'all again, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Baked bacon.